Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment and like this video. It would help me out so much and I would really appreciate it. Today's video I'm going to show you how I did this contour. By the end of the video, let me know what you think about my contouring, some feedback, what else you would like to see. I have another video where I show you how I do this eye look, so if you're interested to see that as well, I will link it down below. So if you're interested to see my contour routine, then please keep on watching. I've already done my eyes and I've done my foundation. Next I just want to show you how I will be doing my contouring. Yes, and I'll also be showing you how I brighten some areas on my face. So I've done the foundation but I haven't applied any powder. I'm going to be playing around with these two from Tarte Cosmetics. So the light shade is to brighten. This is Tan Sand and this is Rich Sand for contouring. Let's get started. I will start by shaping out the contour and then we'll blend everything out together. So with the Rich Sand, obviously not going to be contouring my forehead for obvious reasons. This scarf. Next I'm going to take Tan Sand and apply on areas where I would like to brighten up my face, so like under my eyes. I've already put a little bit, I'm just going to put a little bit more. On my chin and on my forehead. A little bit under the contour. That's it. Now we can go about blending this out. So to blend out the lighter shade, I'm going to be using this sponge. It's purple. I used once, I haven't washed it. Next, for the contour, I'm taking my Real Techniques contour brush. Start with here, go up and down. I feel like my contour is a bit much, so I'm going to take my concealer sponge and just dab slowly on top of it, just to reduce the intensity. It's a little better. For my nose and lips, I'm going to take the Sigma E44 brush. So it looks kind of a tipped end, and I'll start blending out my nose contour. I'm going to take it all the way up to my eyebrows. Should I stop here? No, don't stop there. If you feel it's easier to use your fingers also to blend it out, then by all means use your fingers. So look how this is turning out. Now for down my nose, I'm gonna take the same sponge, just clean up the contour. Yes. Then for the lips, just to add a little bit more dimension. Oops. Trust the process, just trust the process. Mistakes can be corrected. Go back to my favorite sponge. Next is powder. I'm gonna apply some powder where I brightened, mostly where I brightened my face, where I applied the concealer, and a little bit over the contour. For the setting powder, I'm using the Too Faced Born This Way powder, and I have my NIKKIA Joy Cosmetics sponge. I won't bake, I'll just place the powder and then blend it out. In the middle of my nose, just to clean up the contour. My chin. And I'm just gonna blend it out by tapping. To soften this look, I'm gonna be using some highlighter. This is the Illuminate highlighting palette from NIKKIA Joy. And I'm gonna be using Glow. Place it on the highest points of my face. That's the look. Next, I'm gonna go do the lips, and then I'll be right back with the final look. This is the final look. Lips all done, glossed up, face is contoured up and snatched. Let me know what you think about my contouring. Is it a bit too much? Do I need to take it easy? I honestly like it. My face looks like, and that was the goal of my contouring, so it kind of looks natural. Again, if you'd like to know how I did this eye look, I will link the video here, and you can click on that and see how I did this soft glam eye look. Again, thank you guys for watching, and remember, don't hate, meditate. Bye.